the journey that you walked through. The journey that you walked through. He is the bestest soul, friend, human being anyone can have. He's not just a great friend, I've seen him a great son, a great brother. He's great at everything, genuinely.
And one thing I love about her is her smile. Is she just has a very infectious smile, and she can make anybody smile.
Very honored and I'm very proud. And when I realized that I feel something, I did everything in my capacity to make sure that we didn't happen. So even when we used to fight and I used to hate him, there was this voice in my soul which used to say very loudly that he needs a friend. There's something which is saying that I have to be with him. He needs me. And there's no reason for him to need me other than fighting.
There might be a little ups and downs. People might agree or not agree to you. So just be a little patient, because you are entering a new environment, and just believe that I am going to be with you and always be with you in support of you, and I'm never ever going to leave.
I might be doing a lot of things in life, but he'll always be my number one priority. No career, no meditation, no singing, no dancing, no shopping. Nothing can take his place ever. And I just want him all my life, and I can do anything for him.
Yeah.
I never thought that we'd end up together. And the best part is he never ever left me.
You're the light, you're the night, you're the color of my blood, you're the cure.
Utopian view of the perfect guy in my mind. So even when he started, वो checklist हो रहा था, the checklist was huge, so it was impossible for anybody to cross those checklists. And he was passing on the checklist, like
क्या हो रहा है
what's happening, guys don't exist, this guy doesn't exist, you don't have guidance, and you just all there, I don't know.
She is pretty She's pretty disorganized. She is very disorganized.
pretty disorganized.
Very
disorganized.
And second, she does not like to take care of herself,
No one proposed. There's no formal proposal till now. I am waiting for a proposal. I am waiting for a proposal. Hello people, no one has proposed.
It was not love.
It
Sorry.
was not
It was
love.
never.
It was pure
Pure
animosity towards each other. I have never felt this hatred. And I used to have
मेरे को था इस लड़की का भूत उतारना है.
दुश्मन.
दुश्मन थे.
You want to tell?
हम है ही दुश्मन थे. ऐसे बाल पकड़ के we every day used to fight. For the first 6 months, every day in the morning, we were just fighting over the seat.
बेंच पे
अबे
बेचारी
जा-
पतली सी टिमिड सी लड़की, तुमने बेंच उठाया वो गिर गई.
कोई गिरी नहीं थी. चोट इतनी
Please.
एग्जैजरेट करती है तू. शुरू की लड़ाकी थी यार, शुरू से.
Fight, they got a little used to each other, and then the fight started subsiding, and he was very good in all the subjects.
तो इस वाला मैं फायदा उठाती हूँ. और कुछ तो नहीं, मैं लड़के से क्वेश्चन पूछूंगी. लेट मी टेस्ट हिज नॉलेज, लेट मी अंडरस्टैंड. तो ये ढूंढ के डाउट्स लेके आती थी. आफ्टर 12 समर वेकेशंस एवरी डे वी यूज्ड टू टॉक. आई एक्चुअली मैसेज्ड हर दैट यू नो इट वाज अ मैसेज भी नहीं था. इट वाज न्यूज़पेपर में वो आते नहीं थे. जस्ट कॉपी पेस्टेड
It was
Send it
nothing
across.
original. And my dad is so cute. So on the day of our roka, while we were all leaving, he called Ankit and he's like, "अच्छा ये बताओ तुम करते क्या हो?" So everyone was like, "What? You don't know what he does? Your daughter is getting married to him." He's like, "नहीं, अच्छा लगा तो शादी कर रहे हैं." So everyone is really very fond of him at home, and they all love him, adore him completely. तेरे बिन नहीं लगता दिल मेरा डोलना है, तेरे बिन नहीं लगता दिल मेरा डोलना. He adds colors into my life full of energies and vibrations.
I know.
I have no expectations. I in a good way. I just it's
यार
perfect.
लड़का होपलेस है. इसके को भी नहीं है. I have no expectations. I know you can't do it.
He's very mean. No, he's just perfect the way he is. And I look forward to a lot of happy memories, laughter, and joy, and just more happiness. We've been waiting to.
For this moment to happen.
Yeah.
So yes.
So nobody waits for so many years. Waiting patiently because we believe in something and we were ready to walk that extra mile and wait to witness the day. So yeah, we're happy.
Happy.